Tito, okay ba magbodega ng ADA long term? Wala akong ADA. Yan, personal disclosure. Maraming may gusto rin itong ADA. It's just that hindi lang siya kasama sa portfolio ko. Ang sinagot ko na to dito no, yung pagbubodega po, let's say for example no, alts. Ang pagbubodega is more about the proper portfolio allocation rather than cherry picking a particular altcoin. So I have to understand this, no? Pagbubodega is more about proper portfolio allocation rather than cherry picking an altcoin. Because hindi mo naman masasabi talaga 100% okay, kung yung altcoin na bibilin mo ay lilipad compared do sa altcoin na hindi mo ibibilin, na hindi sasama sa portfolio mo. Pero kung tama yung portfolio allocation mo, you have the right combination of Bitcoin and altcoins, big caps and small caps of altcoins, pag dumating yung bull market, meron tayong tinatawag na rising tide lifts all boats. So, yung mga altcoins mo, may lilipad ng probably 1x or 2x, may lilipad ng 10x, may lilipad na 50x. So, kung tama yung allocation mo, it will benefit, will do good to your portfolio. Pag mali yung allocation mo, pwedeng yung altcoin na mabili mo, hindi lumipad or mabagal yung lipad. So, it will not perform better. So, kailangan po dito yung proper portfolio allocation. Yan, follow for more Tito Moves!